Welcome to Thailand, a land of vibrant culture, stunning landscapes, and delectable cuisine. From bustling cities to serene beaches, this country has it all. Many dream of experiencing its magic, but wonder, is it possible on a tight budget? Absolutely. Thailand offers a wealth of experiences that won't drain your wallet. With $500, you can enjoy Thailand without breaking the bank. Affordable accommodations, delicious street food, and free or low-cost attractions make it possible. It's all about making smart choices and embracing a different pace of life. Slow down, take in the sights, and savor each moment. Get ready to discover the art of stretching your dollars while immersing yourself in the wonders of Thailand. Visit cultural landmarks, explore local markets, and enjoy the natural beauty. This isn't about deprivation. It's about maximizing value. Find affordable, authentic experiences that enrich your journey. You'll learn to live like a local, uncovering hidden gems and authentic experiences that money can't buy. Engage with locals, try new things, and make lasting memories. So pack your bags, grab your budget planner, and get ready for an unforgettable adventure. Thailand awaits, and it's more accessible than you think. Let's talk about keeping a roof over your head without emptying your wallet. Forget fancy hotels. Think budget-friendly guest houses and shared apartments. These options offer incredible value, especially for longer stays. Websites like Agoda and Airbnb are your new best friends. They're packed with listings, often with photos and reviews. Aim for locations outside the tourist hotspots. You'll find lower prices and a more authentic Thai experience. Remember, haggling is part of the culture. Don't be afraid to negotiate, especially for long-term rentals. A little bargaining can go a long way in stretching your budget. Eating like a king on a pauper's budget. Absolutely. Thailand is a paradise for food lovers who don't want to break the bank. Thai street food is not only delicious, but also incredibly affordable. Pad Thai, mango sticky rice, fresh spring rolls. The options are endless and easy on the wallet. You can feast on a variety of dishes without spending much. Skip the tourist traps and eat where the locals eat. This is where you'll find the most authentic flavors. Look for bustling street stalls and small, family-run restaurants. These places often serve the best food. For even greater savings, embrace the art of cooking. Learning to cook Thai dishes can be a fun and rewarding experience. Local markets offer fresh produce and ingredients at unbelievably low prices. You can buy everything you need to make a delicious meal. Now let's talk transportation. Ditch the expensive taxis. Public transportation is your new best friend. It's reliable, efficient, and very budget-friendly. Thailand boasts an efficient and cheap network of buses, trains, and ferries. You can travel across the country without spending a fortune. For shorter distances, rent a scooter. It's a popular choice among both locals and tourists. It's an affordable and exhilarating way to explore. You can discover hidden gems and scenic routes. Just remember your helmet and drive safely. Safety should always be your top priority while enjoying your adventures. Section 4. A Taste of Thai Life. My $400 adventure. This journey was an eye-opener, a true immersion into the vibrant culture of Thailand. I'll never forget my first time living in Thailand on a tight budget. It was a challenge, but also an adventure that taught me so much. I found a shared apartment in Chiang Mai for a steal, just $100 a month. It was a simple place, but it had everything I needed. It wasn't luxurious, but it was clean, comfortable, and located in a friendly neighborhood. The locals were welcoming and made me feel at home. I ate like a local, indulging in street food delights for $1 or $2 per meal. The flavors were incredible and the variety was endless. My days were filled with exploring temples, browsing markets, and soaking up the local culture. Each day brought new experiences and discoveries. I even rented a scooter for $5 a day to venture further afield. Riding through the scenic countryside was a highlight of my trip. In total, I spent a mere $400 that month and wouldn't trade the experience for the world. It was a month of learning, growth, and unforgettable memories. Section 5. Mastering your money. Prioritize and conquer. Living on a budget in Thailand is achievable and rewarding. The key is prioritization. Determine your must-haves and your nice-to-haves. Allocate your budget accordingly. Maybe you can sacrifice a fancy hotel for an extra week exploring ancient ruins. Track your spending diligently. Use a notebook, a spreadsheet, or a budgeting app. This will help you identify areas where you can cut back and save even more. Remember, every baht saved is another opportunity to experience the wonders of Thailand. Section 6. Join the conversation. Share your wisdom. Have you experienced the magic of Thailand on a budget? What are your top tips for stretching dollars? Share your stories and advice in the comments below. Let's create a community of savvy travelers helping each other experience the world without breaking the bank.